Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video we will be looking into how to what are the new styles available for buttons or UI elements in macOS Tahoe 26. So let's get started. So here you can see I have just created one macOS application using AppKit. I have already updated to macOS Tahoe, and here you can see firstly I have created one button and I have set the bezel style as rounded. Then here I have applied some translate auto resizing mask as well. This key equivalent is basically setting shortcuts for your button. Here I have set the bezel style as glass. I have added the button. I have added this NS layout constraints as well, and these are the button click actions. So here this is the output. Here you can see, so this is the glass effect, and if I click on R, here you can see it automatically displays the alert button, basically like pressing of the button, because this is what I have displayed, right? Key equivalent equal to R. If you want to see how to the tint prominence, I'll just rerun the application. So this is how the tint prominence looks like. You can play around with different values for tint prominence, like secondary, automatic, and none. Then there is this border shape as well. So again I'll just run this. I have kept the border shape as capsule. Again there are different values for the border shapes as well. So let's just wait for a second. So here you can see we get the border shape as capsule. Like I said, you can play around with this. There are different values. So I don't know why my IntelliSense is not working for some reason. So yeah, here you can see automatic, capsule, circle, rounded, rectangle. So you can use whatever you feel like. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.